Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the historic research and multi-agent LLM financial trading framework. If you want to get into trading and finance, in my opinion, this is the best way. It's open source and you can run it completely free. So how it works is that you have different teams. Each team has different agents. They work together, they collaborate, and they come to a consensus on a trade and whether they trade or not. The installation is super simple, guys. I already did it, so I'm gonna go through it bit by bit. So first, just git clone, that's it. Create a virtual environment, activate it just to be safe, then pip install dart. That's it. That's all you have to do. It will install all the dependencies and everything. You don't have to lift a finger. Then you're gonna do a bit of manual work. Just copy the .env example into an actual .env and just notepad.env. Why? Because once you open it, so let me show you guys. Don't worry about all of this, we'll go through it. So just open the notepad and you will be greeted by this. This is where you put all your API keys. So as you see, it has a lot of providers: OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, XAI, everything that you want. So I used a Grok API key. Don't worry, this will be revoked. Just place it here and save and close. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now you can just launch it and get to work. So to launch it, all you need is this trading agent. Just press it here, it will open up, and then it will ask you a series of questions. Just give them an answer. For example, this first step is ticker symbol. If you don't know what it means, it's basically this: the abbreviation, the SPY, BTC, NVIDIA, that stuff. So let's give it NVIDIA, and it's actually spelled NVDA. That's how tickers are, man. So just press that. The analysis date, by default, it goes to the newest, like today. But if you want to go back a bit, you can. But let's keep it at that. Let's keep it for today. Alright, next, your preferred language, English of course, and now the type of analysis teams. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it light because, hey, it's a free API. I have limited credits, so let's go with sentiment analysis. That's all I need. You can set it to them all if you want, but I'm gonna go with sentiment analysis just to be quick and efficient with my credits. Now, you choose the type of work. Is it shallow, medium, deep? Again, just as the name implies, it's either quick, middle ground, or comprehensive. I'm gonna choose quick, and then you choose your provider. As you can see, you have a lot of providers, so I'm gonna go with Grok. You can use local LLMs too, Ollama if you want, but I'm gonna go with Grok, and then it will tell me the custom ID. What model am I gonna use? Well, I'm gonna use this model, Ollama 3.370p versatile. That's your quick thinking model, but then it will ask you for a deep thinking model. I'm gonna input the same. You can have two different models, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Now it will get working. As you can see, it has 9 agents that will work this time, and just let it go. Once it's done, I'll show you the result. So the analysis is now complete. To see it, if you want to save the report, I'm gonna say yes. The path is the default, and finally the one to display. Just press yes and you will get the entire analysis. So that has been it. This is how you get into trading easily. In my opinion, it's quick, it's free, it's open source. Hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.